So we're here to unbox Chrollo Lucifer and of course Hisoka Moro. Both of them are characters from the anime Hunter x Hunter by Yoshihiro Togashi. Take note lang guys, itong Chrollo figure natin is an Asian release version. While itong Hisoka natin is a Japanese release version. So later makikita nyo yung pagkakaiba sa box pati dun sa kung paano pinak yung figure sa loob. So ito yung front of box ng Asian release na Chrollo figure. Ito naman yung right side ng box. And then left side. So you'll see here several Japanese text at itong barcode. Yan. Then at the back, ito yung makikita nyo. Here we have the For You logo and the Muse Communication Company Limited logo. So guys, itong Muse, sila ay kilalang distributor at licensor ng anime. Ito naman yung top ng box. And here's what you'll see at the bottom. Next, tingnan naman natin yung box ni Hisoka. So ito yung front ng box ng Japan release na Hisoka. And this is what you'll see on the right side of the box. And then on the left, ayan, we have several Japanese texts. And instead of the barcode, mapapansin nyo, meron tayo dito ang QR code. Ayan, yun yung pagkakaiba din nila. And then at the back, ito pa ang isang pagkakaiba. Itong Japan release, meron siya nitong Jaya logo. As well as the For You logo. Yung Jaya logo, wala siya dun sa Asian release. And here's the top of the box. And finally, here's what you'll see at the bottom. Okay, unbox na natin itong Chrollo figure. And dito sa Asian release, itong Chrollo figure, naka-plastic wrapping siya ng ganito. Open na rin natin itong plastic. So, ito na si Chrollo. So, similar sa anime, meron siya nitong cross-shaped tattoo sa forehead and a pair of orb-shaped earrings. Suot niya din yung iconic black coat niya that has white fur on the collar and wrist. Naka-unbutton din yung coat para makita niyo yung abs niya. Ito naman yung makikita niyo sa ilalim ng figure. Sa likod ng coat niya, naka-imprint yung golden St. Peter's Cross. Dito pala sa ilalim, makikita nyo yung, I think, product code to. Para ma-ensure nyo na authentic talaga yung figure. So, yung product number na yan or code, nakalagay din yan dito sa may box niya. So, yan, yung P9823BNM. So, yun din yung nakalagay dito sa ilalim ng figure. Hawak din pala niya dito yung conjured book niya from Nen, which is called Bandit's Secret. So, eto siya kapag ka nasa anime. So, kayo na humusga kung magkamukha ba sila o hindi. Now, let's check kung ano yung weight ng ating figure. So, yung weight ni Chrollo ay Okay. He is almost 150 grams. So, yan yung bigat ng ating figure. Next naman is isukatin natin yung kanyang height. So, yung height niya kapag nakaupo is approximately around 5.5 inches or 14.5 centimeters. That's all for my Chrollo figure. Now, i-unbox naman natin itong Japan release Hisoka. Take note itong product number o product code dito sa box. Unlike dun sa Chrollo figure, itong Japan release Hisoka, nakabalot siya sa box. Ganito. And then sa loob, nakabubble wrap lang yung ating figure. Ito na yung ating Hisoka figure. So, similar sa anime, he wears face paint of a star on his right cheek and a teardrop on his left cheek. Regarding naman sa appearance niya, he is similar to that of a magician or jester. Light yung skin color niya and he has a very muscular physique. I would say maganda yung pagkakagawa sa figure na to, considering na prize figure siya ha. Doon sa ilalim ng figure, kagaya nung kay Chrollo, makikita natin yung product code or product number, o ano man yung tawag nila dyan. Similar yan doon sa nakita natin sa box kanina. Ito yan, yung nakalagay dito sa box. Now, here's a comparison of this figure to his anime character. Ayan, kayo na ulit ang mag-judge if he looks exactly the same dun sa anime. I-check naman natin yung weight nitong figure. So, Hisoka figure weighs approximately 150 grams. For the height, this figure is approximately 5.5 inches tall. Similar dun sa Chrollo figure natin. Finally, let's give Chrollo and Hisoka a quiet time and see how much they love each other. Sarcastic yun, guys. And that ends my unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Godspeed!